Hey everyone, how are you? If you want to buy latest and the best gadget of this year, then you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the greatest gadget of this year. Today we are here with an interesting video. Now I will make video on top 4 Fujifilm Insta Mini Camera of 2023. If you like the product and want to buy the products, you need to go through the link which is in the description box. Product name: Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 Instant Camera. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 Instant Camera is a compact and popular instant camera model produced by Fujifilm, known for its ability to instantly capture and print photos. While the paragraph you provided mentions the Instax Mini 12 in various colors, pink, blue, gray, white, purple, along with Instax Mini Film Photo Paper, there is no mention of an Instax Mini 12 model in my knowledge, as of September 2021. However, I can provide information about the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 Instant Camera, which is a predecessor to the model you mentioned. The Instax Mini 11 is known for its simplicity and ease of use. It is designed for individuals who want to capture memories and have physical copies of their photos in an instant. Key features of the Instax Mini 11 include automatic exposure, a built-in flash, and a selfie mode that allows for close-up self-portraits. It also features a stylish and lightweight design, making it easy to carry around for on-the-go photography. The Instax Mini 11 uses Instax Mini Film, which is available in various designs and styles, including color films and monochrome films. This film type produces credit card-sized instant photos, making it convenient for sharing with friends and family. Product 2. Product name: Mini Digital Vintage Camera. The Mini Digital Vintage Camera is a charming and educational toy designed for children, combining the nostalgia of vintage photography with modern technology. This mini camera is specifically crafted for young photographers, offering a range of features that make it an ideal gift for kids interested in outdoor photography and creative exploration. Key features: vintage aesthetic. The Mini Digital Vintage Camera has a design reminiscent of classic film cameras, which can spark a sense of nostalgia in parents, while introducing kids to the world of vintage photography. Educational. This camera serves as an educational tool, teaching children the basics of photography and encouraging them to explore their creativity. It helps them learn about composition, framing, and the art of capturing moments. 1080p video and photo. Despite its vintage appearance, this camera is equipped with modern technology, offering 1080p video capabilities. This ensures that children can create high-quality content and relish their photography adventures. Projection feature. One standout feature is the camera's ability to project the captured images and videos onto a surface. This feature adds an element of magic to the photography experience, allowing kids to share their creations with family and friends in a unique way. Outdoor photography. With its small size and durable construction, the Mini Digital Vintage Camera is perfect for outdoor photography. Kids can take it on nature walks, trips to the park, or family outings to capture the beauty of the world around them. Toy and gift. It makes for an excellent gift choice for children, combining the fun of a toy with the educational benefits of photography. It encourages kids to spend more time outdoors and fosters their creativity. Safe and easy to use. The camera is designed with children in mind, featuring user-friendly controls and safety features. Parents can have peace of mind knowing that their choice is designed for their age group. Product 3. Product name: Genuine Original Fujifilm Instax Mini 12. The Genuine Original Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 is a new arrival in the world of instant photography, offering users the opportunity to capture and share memories in a unique and nostalgic way. This camera is part of the popular Fujifilm Instax Mini series, known for its compact size and ease of use. One of the key selling points of the Genuine Original Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 is its authenticity as a genuine Fujifilm product. In a market filled with imitations and knockoffs, having the assurance of authenticity is crucial for consumers looking for reliable and high-quality instant cameras. This camera is designed to work seamlessly with Instax Mini Film Photo Paper, ensuring that users get the best results when capturing their moments. The Instax Mini Film Photo Paper is known for its vibrant colors and sharp image quality, making it ideal for creating instant prints that you can keep as much or share with friends and family. The Instax Mini 12 is likely to feature the signature features of the Instax Mini series, such as automatic exposure control, a built-in flash for low light conditions, and a simple point-and-shoot operation. Its compact size makes it highly portable, allowing users to take it anywhere and instantly capture memories. Product name Kids Camera Instant Print. The Kids Camera Instant Print is an exciting and educational gadget designed specifically for children. This mini digital video camera combines the joy of photography and instant gratification by allowing kids to capture photos and videos and print them out instantly on zero ink paper. The inclusion of a 32GB TF card ensures ample storage space for young photographers to capture countless memories. This innovative device serves as a fantastic educational toy and a thoughtful gift for children. It encourages creativity and imagination, while providing an opportunity for kids to develop their photography skills in a fun and interactive way. With the instant printing feature, children can see the tangible results of their artistic endeavors immediately, boosting their confidence and sense of accomplishment. The Kids Camera Instant Print not only fosters creativity, but also promotes hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills, as children a way for kids to document their daily adventures and create lasting memories with friends.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.